This first question, this is a very straightforward general power rule question because you have parentheses to a number. So our first step is we bring down the 10. So we have y prime is equal to 10. Keep the inside fixed at x squared plus 5. Subtract 1. And then multiply by the derivative of the inside. And here the derivative of x squared is going to be 2x. The derivative of 5 is 0. So again, we bring down, keep the inside fixed, subtract 1, multiply by the derivative of the inside. Now remember that something before the parentheses to a power and after, those are usually going to combine together. So here the 10 times the 2x is going to give us 20x times x squared plus 5 to the 9th power, and that's our y prime. Now, if you look, the general power rule can really be used in a lot of different scenarios. So if you look at number 2 here, you have the cube root of sine x. Now, remember that anytime you have a cube root or a radical, you always want to rewrite that. So as soon as I rewrite it, I have sine x to the 1/3 power. And that is of this general power rule form, parentheses to a number. So this question we can use the general power rule for. We'll have our 1/3 being brought down, keep the inside fixed, subtract 1 from 1/3, so 1/3 minus 1, we have a 3/3, so we get negative 2/3 as the new exponent, times the derivative of the inside, the derivative of sine, is just cosine x. And I always put parentheses around it just for safety. All right, now you can usually combine something in the front, something in the end, but in this case, 1/3 cosine x, they don't really combine together too much. You could leave it this way, or you could rewrite it as 1/3 cosine x in the numerator, and then the sine x to the 2/3 in the denominator. That would be perfectly acceptable as a way to rewrite it. Or you could just rewrite it as 1/3 cosine x and then the sine x to the negative 2/3, and that would be fine as well. Okay, so either of these are perfectly acceptable, but that's a great problem because you can use the general power rule on it.